shouldn't be calling this number.
ナイトコープの株価について相談したいってわけじゃない。サンドラ、手を貸してくれ。ハイリスクな依頼であんたみたいな腕のいいランナーの助けがいる。
V, I don't do that kind of work.
貸しがあるだろう。でかいのが。
You got paid for helping me. Far as I'm concerned, we're even.
おい、本気で言ってるのか。
Strictly hypothetically, what would my help entail exactly?
マックスタックのデータ要塞に潜ってロスパドレス刑務所に向かう陸上輸送隊について調べてほしい。サンドラ、聞いてるか？
I can try. Got one condition though. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. That's the deal. Take it or hang up now.
考えておく。また連絡する。
V, to what do I owe the pleasure? Bringing me juicy urban gossip?
残念ながら今日は急ぎで手伝ってほしいことがあって。
So, some encrypted shards you need me to crack? Come by, we'll sort it out.
やっぱり後でまた連絡するよ、キャロル。
Okay, sure thing, V.
チャンフン、ちょっと話がある。経験豊富なランナーが必要なんだ。
V, I'm sorry, but not this time. I run a small shop. My last run was a wake-up call, literally. I had to stop.
お願いだ、チャンフン。ランに失敗して死にかけたネットランナーなんていくらでもいる。諦めるのは早いんじゃないか。
I'm 67 years old, V.
ランナーの価値は最後にやった仕事で決まるものだろう。今のままじゃ自宅の地下室で死にかけた情けないネットオタクってとこじゃないか？
Unkind, V. Only you and Wakako know about this.
気にしてんだろ。
Very well. Will you tell me who to breach or not?
マックスタックのデータ要塞に潜入してロスパドレスに向かう連中の陸上輸送隊についての情報を盗んでほしい。
Oh, whoa. V. This is serious. No one screws with MaxTac. No one. Now, MaxTac uses SHC-761 encryption on an SHA-37 interface. With all the forts, gates, demons, permaflux code, this may not even be doable. But if I manage this, it would be something. I shall try, V. Okay?
すまん。やっぱりもう少し検討してみる。また連絡するよ。
Yes, a risky operation, for certain. Take the time you need.
Hey, still there? Term's still the same.
それで手を打つ。手早く頼む。時間がなくてな。
Isn't it always? Reconciliation Park, 8 hours from now. I'll be waiting with the data.
待つのって一番辛いかもな。
First things first. No one knows about our meet, I trust.
心配ない。データは
I do.
やっぱり頼りになる。
To a point? You promised me a favor in return. Let's talk.
ああ、それで内容は
You'll get 2 shards. One with the data you want so bad, the other laced with a virus.
物騒な話になってきた。何を企んでるか知らないが。
Your convoy will be guarded by high-ranking MaxTac officers. A rare breed. Won't find them in Night City's usual cyber-psycho skirmishes. These are special ops units with first-tier access privileges. Fling my quick hack at one of them, and the Vector will find its way. Install a back door. Sound like something within your scope? You capable?
状況が見えてきた。あんたにとっても得がなければデータを盗んでくれるわけないからな。片手で借りを返しながらもう一方でコーポのはしごを登ろうとしてる。誰の指示だ？
Mixed metaphors aren't my specialty.
マックスタックの内部事情をつかめば街でとんでもない影響力を手に入れ、ナイトコープにも超特大の釣り針を仕掛けられる。誰なんだサンドラ？
No comment. Just say you'll do it. We'll be done.
仮に引き受けたとしてウイルスは何をするんだ？その効果は？
Establish a link. A flash. Brief, unstable, but meaty enough for me to nest a few dormant surprises.
俺にトロイの木馬になるってんだな。なるほど。
More like the Bronze Age Greek who dropped the horse on the Trojans. But don't worry. No blowback. Nobody'll be the wiser.
わかった。そのチャンスがあったらな。
All right then. Be in touch with you when it's done.
Know that data's cause enough for MaxTac to max murder you.
狙われるのは慣れてる。
Touche. Alrighty. Let's get Reed's super spy peepers on this. See where it leads.
We should talk. Face to face.
仕事をくれるってことか。
Far better. I see a blank page in Night City's chronicle. Your name is on it. The page and I await at the Heavy Hearts.
いつにも増して自信たっぷりだな。
Jumping MaxTac now, are we? Stepping up your game. Busting into Arasaka Tower it ain't. But it's up there. Somewhere. Trying to knock me off the arch-terrorist pedestal?
わかった。もう結構。
You're in a mood. Clearly spending too much time with Reed. Hell, I'd be shitting bricks too going up against MaxTac.
That was not part of our deal, Reed. They get wind it was us. Might as well start digging our own fucking graves.
You say that every time, Gunner. Yet nobody's ever found out. And no one ever will.
Look, if shit goes south... This your partner? Fuck me. Didn't know you'd signed onto some suicide pact. Need to do a better job vetting your partners, Reed. Because it seems you're now running with a murdering piece of human trash.
落ち着け。文句は後で聞いてやる。今そんな時間はない。
Well, then, I just hope the FIA will send us new contact deets once you're busy pushing up daisies. But if you do survive this cat orgy of an op, remember, you and me are square now.
Modern day patriotism for you. About time we went over the plan. We don't have all day.
計画や戦略に必要な情報はこれで揃ったか。
Got everything we can count on having. I flicked through your intel. Convoy routes, vehicle array, weaponry they're likely to have. It's not gonna be easy. The reason they're called Psycho Squad's twofold. They're almost cyber psychos themselves. The best chance we have of stopping them's here. Traffic minimal, vantage points optimal. They'll come down this road. Once in range, we hit them hard. Bring them to a stop. And then neutralize all MaxTac operatives, grab Songbird. Run into an exfil point just across the SoCal border. Our friend here knows the specifics. He'll fill you in. I got one last thing I need to take care of.
じゃあ作戦を聞かせてくれ。
Here's a lowdown. Convoy will roll in from the northwest. Likely run right into the booby trap cars we'll set up. This could decommission a few vehicles, force the rest to switch lanes. We'll cut off any chance of retreat, set off some planted charges, stop them dead in their tracks. Second Reed pops a behemoth driver, you'll dive in. Your chum Reed also requested some badass toys. Offensive turrets, mines, smoke grenades, ladder, not an issue. But the mines and turrets. Want to weigh in, sift to the deets, or leave prep to me? It's your call.
そうだな。詳しく頼む。
Right on. When fixing to go out guns blazing, best be on your own terms. Slot the shard. Once the drone's airborne, I'll explain the whats, hows, and whys.
さて、助っ人のお手並み拝見といこうか。
All right. 2 items of biz to nail down. One's your strategy. Second, the kit we need to set you up
装
with.
備だが、どんな選択肢が。
Sitch is simple. Reed wants both mines and turrets. Well, I want a divorce without saying goodbye to a single innie. Can't have a cake, but only to stare at it till it goes bad. Short notice, folks. Can hook you up with one or the other, not both. Turrets for firepower, mines for crippling mobility. Your call, boss. Depends on your chosen tactic. We could leave them some party favors at the Sky Bridge's inns and at the hotel door. Prevent the motherfuckers from taking high ground. Makes the most sense if you'll be firing from there. Then again, if you'd rather go street level, getting close, we can pepper the mines over the road surface. So what do you say? We mining the road or the way up to the terrace?
地雷は路上に仕掛けてくれ。素早く接近する。
Ask, and you shall receive.
戦略について話したい。選択肢は
Got about as many as there are frilly tea rooms in Dogtown. So, not a whole lot. Do best to figure out the position you'll be ambushing them from. Then decide if smoke nades favor you there.
発煙弾だが効果的な
We
使い
set
方
nades
は
off on the road. For a time, the assholes will be aiming and shooting blind. Hopefully, each other.
だがリードと俺の視界も奪われることになる。
Newsflash. There's no such thing as perfect solutions. Always some trade-off. We can paralyze them, ease your way into their ranks, but it'll cost you the reduced effectiveness of Reed's covering fire. Decision's yours. We doing nades or not?
なしだな。現場はどうせ混乱する。
Limiting variables. Smart. Reduces how many things can go wrong. Against MaxTac, that could just do the trick. Moving on. Your starting positions for when the shit hits the fan. Care for a gander?
ああ、候補聞きたい。
Terrace is a solid choice. Prime visibility and pissing range of the convoy. But there are possibilities aplenty. The stairs, you'll have the ambush laid out in front of you. Means opportunities for laying down strategic fire. Third approach is risky. By the Sky Bridge, can close the gap from there in no time. In a nutshell, terrace is a safe, secure position. Stairs give you prime visibility. Sky Bridge lets you get up close and personal real quick.
よくわかった。言っ 長一短だな。俺の戦い方に合う場所を選ぶよ。
Yeah. Cooking with gas now.
作戦はまとまった。あとはリードと話すだけだな。
Gonna set up then, and make tracks. As for you two, well, good fucking luck.
準備完了。そっちは？
Almost. This is our jammer. I just need to calibrate it so the signal isn't too strong. Otherwise, So Me could... I just hope we're not too late.
手遅れって？リード。
Let's focus on the task at hand.
なあ、どうすればちゃんと話してくれるんだ？
We are talking.
そうじゃない。本音が聞きたいんだ。
Do you have any questions about MaxTac? Now's the time.
話しにくいことはいつでもだんまりを決め込めばいいと思ってるのか。
You want to know the truth? Fine. Today, or 7 years ago, don't know what exact point I fucked up. The end result's that now we're here while she could die. I just pray that she's the one we're saving. The Somi I knew, and not some... I'm fucking scared, V. Scared my grip on everything is slipping. There. Happy?
もし誰かが足を踏み外してるとすれば、それはソミの方でお前じゃない。だが彼女はまだ生きてるし、きっと助けられる。
It's an either-or situation, V. Either we got it right, could very well be that, or she's been playing us for fools from the start. I just gotta jam MaxTac's frequencies. Get ready.
That thing jamming his pangs of conscience, too? Ought to get myself one.
ざれ言を聞いてる暇はない。
Just talk to her.
え？
Body language. I could tell you enabled the relic. So was it her? Did you grab hold of Song?
いや、ソミからの連絡はない。スタジアムでの一件以降、完全に音信不通だ。
Right. Understood. All right. Jam is calibrated. Do you know what to do?
位置について車列を待つ。爆発が起きたら攻撃開始。
We grab Song and head for the exfil point on the border. Clean quick, no slip-ups, no trip-ups. And one eye on Song the whole time. Got it?
了解。所定の位置につく。幸運を。
We won't need luck.
OK。待とうか。
I got eyes on the target. All right, they're in or in the tunnel.
ソングバード。一体どうやって？
내가 아니야. 너만은 절대 안 돼.
ソミ、聞こえるか？繋がってるのか？
널 믿었어. 하지만 다시 절대 실수 안 해. 날 방해하지 마. 이거 경고하는 거야.
待ってろ。助けに来たんだ。今近くにいる。
너랑 리드가 도와? 이 감옥에서 꺼내서 다른 감옥에 가두려는 거잖아. 좀만 있으면 알아서 할 수 있어.
On the move, get ready.
ソングバードから接触。リンクは健在。許してはくれなさそうだぞ。
Don't expect her to. You need to focus now. On my mark.
Let's get to work.
What's up, B? We can do this as long as we work together.
Killer! Neutralize him! Officer down! Down with this shit!
We're dying over here! I repeat, back up. We are under attack. Unit lost. I repeat.
I'm reloading!
Fuck! Y'all made work this shit! Come on out, coward Brad!
Wasted time! Check on Songbird!
トラックに着いた。
Careful now.
Who the fuck are you? Sniper on the roof!
Work. BP, watch one targeting. They're inside the web. I'm gonna try to neutralize. Keep that's when you swoop in.
Bring it!
仕留めた。
You need to focus on my mark.
Yeah.
Wounded them. Targeted another. Come on! Trust me, this one's two-handed me. Won't take him alone.
Take out the fucking sniper! Next.
噂ほどじゃないな。
Goddamn shrapnel! Fuck!
傷の具合はリード嘘だろ
I'll be alright, V. Got the luck of the damned me. Oh man, shit was a moment there. I thought we were goners.
まさかおしまいなのは向こうの方だ
Go. Stay on the tail. We can't lose her. I'll catch up as soon as I patch myself up.
いいのか
Go. Save her, V. I'll keep this line open. Regroup with you as soon as I can.
了解
We'll find you!
Bitch, you blind or what? Great, hold it.
You didn't see what happened?
Who taught you how to fucking drive? There were 2 cars in the road, 2, and you rammed straight into my ass?
Shum, you fucking serious? MaxTac pushed me into you. I wasn't moving, I was stationary.
I look like I give a shit? You take your ass down to that fucking hole, get me insurance information. Fuck!
You have eyes on her? Is she okay?
まだ見当たらない辺りを調べてみる
Stay sharp.
中にはいないトラックは空だ
See anything?
このオーラはデジタルの残留物かなんだか不気味な痕跡だ
You're seeing it thanks to you and Somi's link. The black wall bleed should lead us straight to her. Bring her out alive, V. If I'm to help her, if I'm to help you, I need her alive.
Somi が通ったゲートの前にいるが閉じられてる
There's gotta be another way. Look around.
Gaze into the abyss, you'll find the abyss staring right back at you. And I don't like the look it's given me. The kind that says there ain't no coming back. Sure you want to do this?
ああ、他 他に選択肢はない。
Always got a choice, V. Like the choice to Delta the fuck out of here, for one.
今さら無理だ。ソミを助けないとリードから助けを得られない。このチャンスは逃せない。
Oh, I remember. Question is if whatever's down there is still the Songbird we know and love.
それはすぐにわかる。
We don't know her condition. She could be hurt. She could be terrified. We gotta find her, V.
Hmm. ミリテクのロゴがある。ここはまさか。
Find the terminal. Jack in. I think I might know what this place is.
そっちにつなぐ。
You're in a top secret military facility dating back from the pre-data crash days. Shore. The data's decrypting. Hold on.
Sinosure. Cyberspace equivalent of a nuke. Militech's answer to Arasaka's Soul Killer. Just the next edition of your average Megacorp Mega-Dick contest.
Somi mentioned this facility once. Militech net runners taking a plunge into the so-called deep net.
ああ、ブラックサファイアでソミもそんなことを言ってた。確か不良 AI を相手にしてたんだっけ。
They try to bait them back to the Black Wall, trap him and tame him.
じゃあソミは
She's not running from us, V. She wants a permit to the Black Wall. She is the
ああ、くそ。
아직도 이해가 잘 안 되나 보네. 넌 앞으로도 절대 몰라. 내가 누군지. 조금씩 자아를 잃는 곁에 어떤 건지. 그래서 널 배신한 거잖아. 완전히 널 없애버리려고.
リードとの通信が切れた。お前がやったのか。
리드는 내 인생을 뺏어갔어. 이제 두 번 다신 뺏기지 않아. 리드는 없는 게 훨씬 나아.
お前の力になりたいんだ。
넌 아직 리드를 믿네. 그게 더 쉬우니까. 그렇지. 넌 속은 거라고. 너무 간절해서 지푸라기라도 잡겠다고 아무 손이나 잡은 거잖아. 리드, 마이오스, 그 누구도 도와줄 수 없어. 너도 똑같아.
お前だって約束しただろ。
그건 이제 의미가.
俺たちは同じ状況にいる。頼れるのはリードしかいない。
리드는 자기가 만든 절반의 진실 속에서 살아.
ソングバード、どういうことだ。